So guys, I started by adding the red oil. Next, I'll be adding the onions and of course the bell pepper, red bell pepper. So I don't want the red bell pepper and the onions to over fry. So almost immediately, I'm adding the okra. Adding water to it. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making okra soup, and guess what, why this soup is special to me is because I'm going to be adding mushroom. I love mushrooms so much. So guys, while our okra soup is still cooking, I'm adding my frozen vegetable. I'm using bitter leaf actually, so I just brought it out from the fridge, and this is what I added to the okra soup so that it will defrost and cook at the same time. As you can see already, our soup is beginning to cook, so I'll stick over the pot and allow it to cook some more. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are making delicious pot of okra soup. So this is one of my favorite soup, and I like this soup because I'm going to be adding mushroom to it. So this is a cook with me video, and today I am making one of my favorites, like one of my favorite soup, which is okra soup and mushroom. This is why this soup is so special to me, because I like mushroom a lot. So guys, I started by frying my oil, not for so long, and then I fried the red bell pepper, the onions and the okra. So I added my frozen vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, so I actually use bitter leaf, and this is what you are seeing in this soup, as well as fish. So next I'll be adding the mushroom. And here comes our mushroom. Ta-da! I'll be adding a little bit of ginger. This is very optional. If you don't like ginger, you might just skip this part. And give it a stir. guys, can you see this? Can you see this? So here we have our delicious, yummy okra and mushroom soup. So guys, at this point in time, our soup is ready. Yummy okra and mushroom soup. So I'm going to turn off the heat at this point in time. Hey guys, so right now I'll be making rice powder swallow. This swallow needs a lot of patience. Like if you don't have patience, you won't be able to do this thing. So you need to just be patient.